Maybe the people in the political realm will have a moment like the Damascus Road moment that Paul had, where in one moment Saul turned into a Paul. That's what's going to happen in America. The Lord will show himself great and powerful across this nation. God's not done with America. God's going to reach out all the way in the White House in the middle of the night. An angel will stand before the lawmakers and the politicians, and in one moment all of America shall be shaken by the mighty hand of God. Tonight, as a man sent by God, I declare over Oregon and Portland and Salem and all the surrounding cities, hear the word of the Lord. This is what the sovereign Lord says to you. Out of the ashes, an army will arise that will march the land. The sound of a